welcome to another week of Pree Dis. I'm your host Michaela Leana, and this week we have music videos, interviews, and none other than Miss Universe Jamaica Casey Fennell. We have a lot coming up, so stay tuned because Pree Dis starts now. Right here in beautiful Cherry Gardens. Now Miss Universe Jamaica 2014 Casey Fennell is currently in Florida, and she's preparing for the Miss Universe pageant coming up later this month. Now we recently caught up with her at her wardrobe showcase recently held at the Triple Century Sports Club. Now speaking about wardrobe, I'm wearing a Rep JA, so shout outs to them. So let's check out what Casey had to say.
My stand-up moment for my reign was definitely working more with my charity and being able to branch out, and having the dinner that I had for my girls' home, having the hashtag lunch bag event to be a part of, to distribute 1,088 sandwiches plus waters and snacks, and also myself and the Style for Change charity distributing lunches around downtown Kingston to the homeless. 115 mouths were fed, to be exact, and I couldn't do it without the sponsors such as National Bakery, Badia Spices, True Juice, Seaweed Chicken, Caribbean Passion. I mean, they have all been so supportive. I've grown more comfortable, and that just comes with the preparation and the necessary training. So thank you to everybody that helps me, even my mom, my dad, you know, helping me just around home, you know, just talking to each other. That helps a lot too. It's one thing for sure, you'll have people that will not like you. You never know if somebody will like you. You'll have people that will not like you. So the fact that I even have 1 or 2 likes, that makes me feel so special. So to have Jamaica's undying love and support, I just feel over the moon. I mean, words can't explain. I'm looking forward to meeting the girls, knowing who my roommate is. I'm just dying to hear. So, you know, being surrounded by all those different cultures, you know, just learning more about them, because I've been researching them and I know their names, but I have to be still introduced, you know, can't be in talk about. I have to be like, okay, hi, nice to meet you, when I already have known them. I feel like I've known them actually for a while.
Track and field star Jahil Hyde is the newest brand ambassador for Lime Jamaica. Let's hear what Jahil and representatives from Lime have to say about this new alliance.
It's a great feeling. I'm elated. You know, it's always a kid's dream to become a brand ambassador for a phone company, to say the least. And you know, but that's not my main aim. You know, my aim is to go out there and put out brand Lime and myself out there to Jamaica and to the world. Or yes, and just to do my best at everything that I do.
He is young, hot and hype. I mean, Lime has always been very keen on youth development in Jamaica, and you know, really creating a platform for these persons to excel. And I mean, Jahil, honestly, I mean, has so much star potential, and he's definitely going to be a world beater. And I mean, it is obviously the right time to sign him and bring him under the Lime umbrella. And I mean, we're excited. His camp is excited, and you know, we expect great things from both Lime and Jahil working together.
It was an easy decision to sign Jahil Hyde. Without question, a significant talent. A talent that we haven't seen in a long time, athletics and football, well established on the international scene already as a youngster, and we're looking forward to, you know, big things in the future. So we're always looking for endorsers that can connect with our customers, can communicate to our customers. He's very bright, very articulate, very intelligent. So it was a no-brainer to go with somebody like Jahil Hyde, coming on the back of Lime Super Cup with his and schoolboy football with his great performance, and expected great performances in boys and girls champs. It's a multi-year sponsorship. Obviously, we're looking to continue as we do with all our endorsers. We always do multi-year sponsorships, and as I said, we expect to continue the sponsorship going forward in the future.
After this very short break, we have a double serving of new talent, and we have our video premiere of the week. We'll be right back.
I'm Jahil Hyde, and you're watching Pree Dis.